Hi, welcome to Jan Does Stuff. Today I'm going to review UR Sugar Color Changing Gel Polish that I purchased from Amazon. First things first, I'm going to start by swatching the colors for you. And while I'm swatching, I'll just explain a little bit more about this polish. Again, I purchased it from Amazon and it was $9.99. It comes in a set of 6 polishes, and they are color changing. And what I found is they are more color changing with heat versus cold. The uh, product says that it's cruelty free, low odor, it's a gentle formula, and it's supposed to last up to 21 days. Now, I would say my experience with this polish is that um, it is quite thin. So and you'll see it later on in this video, when I apply it to my nails, I did put a milky white color underneath. But so far you see that we've got like a lavender, an orange, and the orange is really see-through. And then green, now you've got a blue, and I think the next one is pink. Yep, the next one is pink. And then the last one would be purple. And I think the pink is actually quite pretty. Now, according to the Amazon listing, this pink is supposed to go from a pink to kind of like a reddish, almost kind of burgundy. I have not experienced that with this particular brand of polish. It's not a terrible polish. I just don't think that it does everything that it's supposed to do. Um, and again, like the orange, the purple is quite thin and see-through. It's not as opaque. So that's the first coat. But I'm just going to cure it with my LED lamp. And voila, we've got the second coat done. So this is what the samples look like with both the first and second coat. I wanted to kind of flip over the sample so you could see what it looks like on the other side. I mean, they're pretty. Please don't get me wrong; they're pretty polishes, but I don't know if they quite do what the advertisement shows.
This is after cold water.
And then here it looks like I dunked them in some ice water to see if they did any color changing. I see a little bit of color changing, but not a lot. So it really didn't change that much. Again, I noticed that it changed more with the heat than it did with the ice. And then next, I'm just showing you how I applied the polish. I decided to use the light blue for the design that I was doing. And again, you can see on my pinky that I've got a milky white. And then I did 2 coats of the light blue. It goes on fairly easy, and it is easy to control and to clean up. feel like the speed of this video is making this look like a very awkward process. It it was a lot smoother than this video is making it seem. I don't know. Maybe it's the speed. I had my nails very long, and I decided for typing purposes, because I do type quite a bit during the day for my job, that it would be better to make my nails shorter. Plus, it's easier for the summer with gardening and planting, etc. It's not a terrible set. I just don't know if it's as great as the Amazon listing makes it appear to be. All right. So there we go. That's my completed uh, first and second coat. And you can even see with the second coat, with the heat of my nails, the heat of my hands, that it's starting to change a little bit to more of like a tealy-ish color. So that's kind of where it goes. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.